we'll guide you through how to change Photoshop image line curved. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe Photoshop by clicking the Windows Start button and typing Adobe Photoshop in the search bar, then click Open when it appears. Next, click File and choose Open to import your image. Select the file you want to edit and click Open to load it onto the canvas. After that, select the Pen tool, P, from the left toolbar, then click once on the canvas to create the starting point of your line. Click on another point and click and drag to create a curved line, adjusting the curve by dragging the direction handles as needed. Continue adding points and dragging carefully to form a smooth curved path step by step, ensuring each segment flows naturally into the next. To edit the curve further, select the Direct Selection tool, A. Click on an anchor point and drag its handles to refine the shape and smoothness of the curve. If you need to convert a straight line into a curve, choose the Convert Point tool, then click and drag on a straight anchor point to transform it into a curved one. Once your path looks correct, right-click on the path and select Stroke Path. To make the line visible, choose Brush as the tool, and click OK to apply the stroke. Review your curved line carefully and make any final adjustments to ensure it looks clean and precise. When you are satisfied with the result, click File and then Save As to begin saving your work. Your curved line image is now saved successfully and ready for use. Take your time while working with the pen tool, because precision is important for achieving smooth and professional curves. And do not hesitate to undo and redo actions if the curve does not look right, as practice will improve your control over anchor points and handles, allowing you to create more accurate shapes and cleaner lines in future projects, especially when working on detailed designs that require careful adjustments and consistent flow throughout the entire path. Always remember to zoom in and out to check the appearance and fine details before finalizing your work.